Lingportal Online School presents
Simple dominates. Why English prefers simple forms. If you have ever studied English grammar, you know that English has many tenses. Simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. At first, this looks complex. So a very natural question appears. If English has so many tenses, why do native speakers mostly use simple forms? Why do we hear present simple and past simple again and again in real English? To understand this, we need to stop thinking about grammar as tables in the books and start thinking about how English works in real life. Simple forms describe reality. Simple forms are not basic, they are not easy, they are not for beginners. Simple forms are neutral. They describe reality without extra interpretation. That is why English prefers them. Let's start with present simple. We use present simple to talk about things that are true, normal, or expected. For example, I live in London. She works as a teacher. We usually have dinner at 7. These sentences do not describe action in progress. They describe how life is organized. English uses simple when nothing special is happening, when things are just normal. Now compare. I live in London. I'm living in London. The first sentence sounds neutral, permanent, stable. The second one sounds temporary, like a phase, like a change. So English chooses simple when it wants to sound calm and factual. The same happens with past simple. Past simple is the default way to talk about the past. I met her yesterday. We finished the project last week. He moved to Paris in 2019. These sentences tell us what happened in the past. No emotions, no extra focus, just facts. English likes that. Other past forms exist, but they always add something extra. Compare. I finished the report. I was finishing the report. The first sentence is complete, clear, finished. The second one focuses on the process, not the result. So English chooses simple when the result is what matters. This is a very important idea. Simple forms answer the question, what happened? What is true? What is the fact? That is why simple dominates in news, stories, instructions, and everyday speech. Now let's look at continuous. Continuous is not more advanced, it is more specific. Continuous shows that something is temporary, in progress, or emotionally coloured. For example, I'm working from home this week. She's feeling tired today. They're staying with friends at the moment. All these sentences sound temporary. English uses continuous only when the speaker wants to highlight that temporary feeling. If there is no reason to highlight it, English goes back to simple. This is also true for perfect forms. Present perfect often confuses learners, but in real English it is not used everywhere. It is used when the connection to now matters. I've lost my keys. I've never been to Japan. We've already finished. But when the speaker just tells a story, English prefers past simple. Yesterday I lost my keys. I went back home. I found them later. Simple forms keep the story moving. Perfect forms slow it down and make the speaker reflect. Simple is the default. So again, simple is the default. Perfect is the comment. This is the key difference. Simple forms describe the world. Other forms describe how the speaker sees the world. That is why simple dominates. It is neutral, efficient, fast. English is a very practical language. It does not add grammar unless it adds meaning. This is why native speakers often say things like, I work a lot, instead of, I'm working a lot. I feel tired, instead of, I'm feeling tired. Both are possible, but simple sounds more general, more balanced, more natural. Learners often overuse continuous because they want to sound advanced. But advanced English is not about more grammar. It is about choosing the right amount of grammar. And most of the time, that means simple. Simple dominates. So when you hear English in real life, do not be surprised. Simple dominates because English prefers clarity over decoration. It prefers facts over explanation. Other tenses are there when the speaker really needs them, but simple is always ready. It is the backbone of the language. And once you understand this, English grammar starts to feel much calmer and much more logical. Keep learning, keep shining. Your English is improving every day.